mi gato. Welcome to another Boom Shaka Lager cat food review. This is Bastet, and she's going to help us today with today's exercise and review. Come on, come get some more of this. Come on. Here, try this one. Try this one. Come here. No, she's not being cooperative. So, in order to continue with this video and provide due service to my fellow cat owners in the YTDC, you gotta take matters into your own hands sometimes, or to your own paw. So, I've been trying to wean them off the stuff that's good for the, I've had a cat yak problem, okay? Got cats yakking up on my carpet. And I'm like, okay, we need to evaluate different foods to try to help them overcome the vomiting issue. Because I get tired of cleaning that shit up. And so, been trying different foods. We got the Purina 1, mass marketed. Purina, familiar with that pet chow brand, right? Purposeful Nutrition. This is the turkey flavored one. And delicious. So we're gonna try this. I want to see why humans are at the top of the food chain. This shit don't taste like turkey at all. The rye really comes through with this. Let's see. What are the ingredients? After I've eaten it, right? Oh my god. Turkey. Hey, we hope so, right? Brewer's rice, cornmeal, soybean meal, turkey byproduct meal, and meal minimally fat, let's see, dried egg product, whole grain corn, animal liver, soybeans, and a bunch of shit I can't pronounce. Alright. This is where all the food that you don't eat gets thrown in the trash, like at the restaurant. They sell that shit to pet food companies, and they make pet food out of it, right? Or like the meat processing plants, right? Where you have like, where you get your chicken wings and stuff. Tyson. What do they do with the rest of the chicken? They cut the wings off, and the legs, and the breasts. But where's the rest of the chicken go? Right in there. So that tastes kind of gnarly. I don't taste any turkey in that. No wonder the cats are kind of like, man, Dad, this shit kind of sucks. Now, I've had cats for 20 years. And this is the first time I've had issues with cats throwing up. And I was using the YUmmY brand. And the cornmeal just really comes through on that. I'm gonna chase that with a cold beer. That's St. Arnold's. Oldest brewery in Houston. It's a lawnmower. It's session lager. It's alright. I like it for summer, but I had it on sale. I picked it up. So yeah, let's try the craft beer version of cat food. This is all natural. It's the Rebound. It's got all kinds of goodies in it. Salmon and brown rice recipe includes the following. It's going to have real salmon, brown rice, peas, carrots, oh boy, two of my favorite things, Sweet potatoes, hey, I like those. Cranberries and blueberries. Wow. It's almost like Thanksgiving in a fucking bag. Except salmon, turkey with the other one, right? Let's see. Oh yeah, nice heaping. Kitty, you sure you want to help me with this? Come here. Come here. You want some of this? Come here. You come here. You come on. Eat this. Come here. Ah, here's the other one. Oh, you don't want to be in the video, do you? You don't want to be in this video. I trapped you by luring you in with food. That's the big girl right there. She weighs about 15 pounds. So I gotta get diet food. Anyway, back to this sample. And as a responsible pet owner, you gotta make sure that you know what you're feeding your children, right? Don't look at me like that. Like, Dad, you're eating our food. I'm like, well, somebody gotta do it. You ain't eating this shit. You just want more of this other one. You want more of these. Now, the reason I got this idea is me grossing out and shit. I mean, in case of like the apocalypse were to come, zombie apocalypse, and all the grocery store shelves run dry, I suggest buying pet food. It'd probably be one of the last things that gets picked up off the shelves. And believe it or not, it's probably good survival shit. It don't taste that bad. It tastes kind of like this one. Got a little more flavor than the Purina. I don't taste the salmon. The sweet potato kind of comes through. I'm not picking up cranberry. Maybe on the back of the palate a little bit. Some cranberry. But yeah, a little bit of salmon, I guess. I don't know. But for the most part, both of those things kind of taste the same. It's just kind of like eating really like rye bread croutons, right? Kind of tastes like that. Kind of with a slight bitterness to them, and texture is like what you expect. And like, man, you could probably make beer with this shit, dude. There's so much grain products in this stuff. It kind of tastes like, man, you can make beer with that shit. Tastes with a cold beer. So now, unfortunately I brought this into my house for the first time. Trying to get the little one to eat something that she won't throw up. So let's try snacks. This is not cat food. This is cat treats. This is the human equivalent of having like, I don't know, hot wings again. We'll use that analogy again. Stuff that's not really good for you, but tastes awesome. This has some amazing things in it as well. Let's go over some of the ingredients. Chicken byproduct. Again, when you buy chicken, where does the rest of the shit go? The head, the beak, the feet. Well, the feet, they still sell that. But anyway, yeah. Ground corn. Nothing wrong with ground corn, right? GMO probably. Animal fat. Dried meat byproducts. Brown rice. Wheat flour. Natural flavors. I'm sure that's natural from something else. They don't say what from, just natural. Let's see. Grain distillers. Dried yeast. Potassium chloride. Choline chloride. Let's say choline chloride. Taurine. Calcium carbonate. Vitamins. It's got vitamin E, vitamin A, some niacin in there. Vitamin B12. Hey, look, see? Give you energy to fight off the zombies, right? I'm telling you, man, cat food is a cheap supplement for survival food. Like those MREs you get, whatever, in the military. Man, you could totally, like, this has got like a zip pack and everything. You could probably like survive on a couple tablespoons of this a day. This is like a week's worth of survival right here. And this one, much better texture. You see, this has got the crunchy on the outside and gooey on the inside. Kind of tastes like peanut butter on rye. Okay, you want some more? This is my favorite, personal favorite. You see, you got the turkey. Turkey is the cat has already taken a chunk off the turkey. See the feathers in his mouth? So we're taking a chunk out of that turkey's ass. Now the turkey's like, fuck you, motherfucker! And they're in battle mode, right? I'm telling you. Zombie apocalypse. MREs. Much cheaper than MREs. I mean, there's protein. Yep, right there. It says, just shake the bag and they'll come running. Yes, you will. So that's Kitty Crack right there. And I do admit, it is the best tasting of the three. So that concludes Boom Shakalaka cat food review. And I encourage you to evaluate what you put in your pets. And that includes any goats or sheep that some of you malt liquor drinkers might own. You know, or at least wash it off after you're done. And that being said, Kitty, what do you think? You want to come here? Come here. Say bye-bye. I guess they're camera shy. It's funny, when I try to take pictures of them, they're kind of like, oh no. Anyway, it steals their soul. I'm out.